Hubdoc's mobile app is a great way to stay on top of documents while on the go. To begin, download the Hubdoc app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Log into Hubdoc. Select the account you want to work on. To toggle between accounts later, click the stack icon in the top left-hand corner and select Change Accounts. Here you will see all the Hubdoc accounts to which you have access. Select the account that you want to work on and you will automatically be redirected to that account. There are a few ways you can upload any pictures of invoices or receipts to Hubdoc from the mobile app. To upload a pre-existing picture, click the stack icon and select Choose Photo. Select the photo you would like to appear in Hubdoc. This image will automatically be uploaded into Hubdoc. To take a picture of a receipt with Hubdoc, you'll press the green button with the camera icon. First, however, click the stack icon and make sure the Save to Phone settings reflect your preference. Here, I have selected not to save these photos to my phone. I can change this so that now all pictures I take with the Hubdoc app are saved to my phone. Once I have configured this setting to my liking, I can click the stack icon again to leave this menu, and click the green button. Take a picture of the invoice or receipt you want in Hubdoc and select Use Photo. Make sure that the vendor, the date, and the total amount are clearly visible. Once documents are uploaded to Hubdoc, you can use the mobile app to edit these documents. By clicking the down arrow next to each document, you can choose to delete a document or add a tag. You can choose from pre-existing tags or create a new one. Once you have tagged the document, click Close. You can also rename and move a document once the key data has been extracted.